Why do old people have the creepiest love stories? Because I sat next to this man at the airport and he was really extroverted, so he started talking to me and eventually he asked me if I have a girlfriend. I said no. Of course. So he started telling me about his past relationships and how he met his first love. But it was insane because the more I listened, the more I realized like, this is low-key illegal. He told me that there was this gorgeous girl in his neighborhood that he saw one day and that she would go for a walk at the same time every day. So he started following her on these walks because he wanted to see where she lived. But it gets worse because then he told me that he bought binoculars so he could follow her without getting caught. So the more that he talked, I was like, wait, you're a stalker. So I'm thinking, well, that relationship obviously didn't last long. But the craziest part is that I asked him what ended up happening between them two and he said they were married for 53 years. Is this how all relationships happen?